Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, I have a Michael's Christmas after sale. I bought some things here that I want to show you. They were all like 70% off. It was really such a good deal. They had a whole bunch of stuff. They really have more stuff out for Christmas now than they did when Christmas was here. I don't understand that, but I did pick up a few things and I want to show you what I got. So the first thing I want to show you is this really adorable little calendar, which I thought it was so cute. It's such a cute calendar. I love it. It has all the days of Christmas, 25. And then you have this cute little Santa Claus that you can actually put the days on. So it's like a countdown. I thought it was so cute, guys. So adorable. And this was only I think this is like $5. It cost 20, but I think I paid like $4 or $5 for it. I thought it was beautiful. I loved it. So cute. Okay, I found this and I was so excited because I found this adorable little frame. I actually saw this when they had the Christmas stuff out at the beginning of the year, and I didn't pick it up because it was one of those things that, you know, oh, I'll pick it up when I have a coupon, and I never picked it up. But I found it again and I was so happy. And it's just a really cute little art frame that has the North Pole, and it's just so cute. I love it. Adorable. Okay, another sign that I wanted to get at the beginning of the year when the Christmas stuff was out, but I never was able to pick it up, was this beautiful sign. I saw this sign and I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. It was so beautiful, so sparkly, and it was just gorgeous. I love it. And so I found it and I picked it up. And then I found this one that goes along with this one, and I thought it was, oh my gosh, gorgeous. Look at these two together. How beautiful are these, right? They also had other gingerbread houses, but it was just too big. I like the size of this. It's kind of small. I can actually put this in a little counter. The ones that they had were like really big sizes. But look at gorgeous how this gingerbread house is. I absolutely love it. Isn't that beautiful? And these two together are just so gorgeous, right? Look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I found these trees that I didn't see before, but I thought these were beautiful. These are wooden trees and they're just gorgeous. I got 3 of these. I got this pink one. I got this really pretty green. And then I got this really pretty like blue. What I like about these trees also is that they come apart. So if you're gonna put them away for Christmas, here, let me show you. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so they're like this, right? And when you're ready to put them away, you can just put them apart like that and just put them away. And they don't occupy too much space, which I love that, right? I love that. But they're so cute. And I've never seen these before, I have to say. During the Christmas time, I don't think I ever saw this. Or if I did, maybe I missed it. I don't know. But I thought they were really brilliant and so cute. So I got 3 of these. Okay. And then I got more. I got these. I thought these were so cute. I love them. These candy little stands. How cute are these? I love them. These are called, I guess, tabletop decorations, But these are so cute. They're like little candies. And they're rubber, by the way. How cute are these? I love them. These will be so cute to put like by a tower, like a nice little tower, or like a little section that you have for hot cocoa. This will be so cute to do. I love it. So I picked up 4 of these, which I also did not see at the beginning of December. Okay. I picked up this really fun ribbon. They had so many ribbons, but you guys know I have ribbon, right? I don't need any more ribbon, but I could not say no to this adorable little deer. How cute is that? So I grabbed this ribbon. This is so beautiful. So cute. I love this deer. So I grabbed him. I had to grab him. And I grabbed a whole bunch of these. Again, I never saw these at the beginning of December when I went to Michael's, but for some reason, I came across them today. Let me see, I think I have one more in here. Yeah, I did. I love these. I thought these were so cute. I love how small they are. I love the sparkliness to it. It's very sparkly. It's adorable. It's a little teacup with a tree in it. I don't know if you can see there, but it's very sparkly and it's so cute. I love that it's so small that I can put it really anywhere. So I grabbed a whole bunch of these. These were $8, but I think I paid, like $1.25 for these. Okay, so I grabbed a whole bunch because I thought these would be so cute to scatter around the house during the Christmas. I loved it. Loved it. Okay, then I picked up these beautiful, gorgeous ornaments. So by my living room, I have like this section where I have these really beautiful, like unique ornaments, and I actually leave that out all year long. I don't bring that down because I just love how it looks so beautiful, and I keep adding every year to it. And so I found these and I thought these would be perfect to add to that little section. I love this. Look at this beautiful Christmas ornament. How gorgeous. The section that I have, it's all like rose gold kind of, and so this is going to be perfect to add to that collection. It's such a beautiful collection. I love it. I don't even bring it down. I leave it up all year because I just love looking at it. It's just so beautiful to me. And I don't really care that it's Christmas ornaments. I love it. I just love it. So I just keep it up all year. I might need to get a different pole because it might start to get a little bit more heavier because I keep adding every year to it. But this is another beautiful, gorgeous ornament that is going to look perfect on that section. I just love it. Look at that. How beautiful are these, right? Every time I see like these gigantic like mercury glass that's rose gold, or anything that has to do with like rose gold, I usually pick up in pairs so I can just add to that little section. I love these. These are really pretty. And then I got these picks because I thought these were perfect to add to my Christmas tree next year. So I just picked up a whole bunch of these. I'm not going to show you all of them. I picked up like 12. But I'll show you what they look like. They're beautiful. They're rose gold and they go perfect with my tree. And so I thought these would be absolutely gorgeous to just put them in my tree next year. And so they were on sale. They were like, these cost $2 and I paid like 40, maybe 60 cents for these. So I just grabbed a whole bunch. I think I grabbed about 12. I didn't want to go too crazy, but I love them. I love that it's gold, like rose gold, and I love the sparkliness to it. And so I grabbed a whole bunch of these. We'll be adding these to my Christmas tree next year. I can't wait. And then I picked up a few other little things that I want to show you. And then we're almost done. So I found these really pretty stamps. I love them. And I picked them up. This one says, Merry Christmas, be glad, be joyful, be blessed. So I love that. And so I picked this one up. I also picked this one up, which I am so excited about because I found these at the beginning of December and I wanted to pick it up. I didn't have a coupon. I did not want to spend $10 for it. It originally cost $10. I was like, no, I don't want to spend $10. I wait until I get a coupon and I never found it again. So I came across it today, a few days ago, and I picked it up and I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. This is kind of like the North Pole little set. It has Merry Christmas, do not open into December 5th, which I already have another one like that, by the way, which is this one. I have a dupe. So I might give this one out as a little happy mail. But anyway, and then this one says North Pole Express, to and from Santa. And then the best ones are these little tiny ones over here that are kind of like little stamps. This one says December 25th. This one says handmade with love. And this one says sending holiday wishes. I love it. And I didn't pay $10 for this. I only paid $3. Very happy about that, right? Okay, then I found more of these adorable little die cuts that are gingerbread houses and gingerbread men and gingerbread women. But I have a whole bunch of these. I don't even know why I grabbed this, but I just grabbed it because I figured I had something in my mind when I grabbed this, and so we'll do that on another video, okay? But I grabbed 2 more of these. Then I found these, which I was happy about because I'm in the process of reorganizing all my little embellishments and stickers. I want to use them more. I don't use them as often as I should, and that's because I have them tucked away and I don't really reach for them too much. So I started to reorganizing all my little stationery section. And so I found these sticker books and I said, wow, okay, this is really cool. I could probably use this. So what this is a sticker storage organizer, and you can just store all your stickers in here, and that keeps your stickers neatly organized, and that will also help me go through more of my supplies, see what I have more. A lot of the stuff that I have is mostly dupes anyway, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to put them all in here and then keep the extras, you know, somewhere else. But at least I reach for my stickers more and for my stationery. I already organized a lot of my fuzzy cutting images that I do when I have like botanical images from books. I already organized that and it looks really, really pretty. And then my next step is to go into my sticker stash and try to organize those. So I got 3 of these little sticker books. These were pretty pricey though. These were $5 each, which I think was a little pricey, but you know, it's gonna help in the long run, so it's okay. I got 3 of these and I'm planning to do a nice little organizational kind of like revamp kind of thing, and maybe I'll bring you guys along with that. I'll show you guys how everything turned out. I want to show you guys how my stationery little things turned out, so I might do a video on that just to give you like some new ideas on how to store like little fuzzy things that we really don't know where to put. So I'll do that probably in the next video. All right, my loves, that's all I got for the Christmas after sale. I have nothing else. I will not get anything else, so I say, right? But I'm trying not to get anything else. I really got a lot of stuff here. I also picked up these at the local grocery shop. One of the markets that I go to, they had these on sale. And I love, like, for some reason, I'm very, like, obsessed with, like, little gift tags, especially with images. And so I picked up a few of these. And then I also picked up a whole bunch of these little little baggies that I also am going to use as part of my kits that I want to put together. So I'm not planning to get any more Christmas stuff, guys. I think I have enough. I think I'm over Christmas right now. I just want to get all the stuff packed, stored away, and start fresh a new year. And I really want to start looking into doing you know, Valentine's. So I'm like over Christmas. I've been over Christmas a while, but I'm like over it now. So I'm going to wrap everything up, put everything away, and we're going to start a new year with new awesome things that we're going to do together. So I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. I will see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful, safe New Year's, and I will see you soon, my loves. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you like. I'd like to have my channel grow more so that we can do more things together. All right, I love you all, and I will see you soon.